Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at SMT in Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Kevin Decker-Weiss from Router Solutions. Kevin, great to see you. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Phil.
Start by telling me what you brought to the show. What's the latest and greatest from Router?
Well, I would say the hottest offering that we have here is a product called BOM Connector, which my company developed to help EMS companies do better quotes quicker.
Okay.
Much quicker, up to 75% or more.
Okay, that's pretty important. I mean, these guys now are getting bombarded with RFQs, and I have a sense that that's kind of sorting the good ones from the bad ones is an issue, but actually they still want to quote properly. They still need to go through the detail.
Quoting is really the biggest headache that they're facing, and all of them, whether the Davids or the Goliaths.
Yeah.
The problem is they're sending between 10 to 20 offers for each order which is coming back in.
Right.
And these quotes can take up to a half a day to finish.
Yeah.
So this
expensive.
is really, really eating into what is already a very thin bottom line to start with.
Okay. And the system that you have, is that kind of an intelligent system where they put data in there?
Yeah. Well, the way we start, or BOM Connector starts by tying together the resources which are already available.
Okay.
You have on the one hand an ERP system such as SAP with a wealth of information.
Yeah.
And you have a customer BOM which has additional also useful information.
Yep.
Then you've got supplier data in the form of either a spreadsheet or an online pricing supplier portal.
Yep.
And then last but not least, you of course have an operator who also has a certain skill set and experience.
Yep.
You can say that BOM Connector seamlessly integrates all four of those.
Adds all those together.
Now the heart of the system is something called IPM, or something we've dubbed IPM, which stands for Intelligent Part Mapping.
Okay.
This is a very complex, flexible logic algorithm which goes in and takes customer-supplied part information and tries to match it up with the data stored on the ERP side. It provides the operator with sort of a top 10 list, which the operator can then, he can use his or her experience and knowledge to make intelligent selections.
Okay. And we kind of associate Router Solutions with technical solutions more than commercial solutions. What made you move in this particular direction? What sparked the development of this product?
Well, this product obviously didn't come out of nowhere. We've been working very closely with EMS companies for over 10 years now. We've been supplying the industry-leading suite of data prep and shop floor tools together with from the Mentor Graphics Valor division. It's called Valor MSS. And what we were seeing was we were solving an important area in production, but we kept hearing that we weren't solving what was hurting the most.
Right.
So we sat down and we spent a lot of time discussing what do they need, what exactly should it do, because there are a lot of sort of generic tools on the market, but there really wasn't anything focused enough on the specifics regarding in electronic manufacturing quoting. So what we've basically got now is sort of a veritable dream system, combining BOM Connector with the MSS tools. Saving, of course, all the data for future use. That's one of the most important issues because the human mind is a wonderful thing, but it's really not a substitute for a database.
So it's the collection of data, and it's actually it's kind of what you do with it.
It is. It's collecting data. It's intelligently evaluating it, and it's making it easily available for everybody.
And when was launch of the product?
Launch of the product, well, I would say it was about 3.5 years ago.
Of this solution?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It started out, of course, with the largest EMS customer, or the largest EMS supplier in all of Germany.
Okay.
So they really provided a lot of the, a lot of the impetus and a lot of the know-how. They're doing about 1,500 NPIs per year.
Right.
So use the 10 to 20 quotes per NPI, and you can see what a real problem it was.
And they're using the product worldwide?
They're using the product worldwide. And in fact, they said that they had never had a product which gave them a quicker ROI.
Well, that's the key.
In the end, that's what it's all about.
And that kind of global modeling seems to be something that's really important to the larger contract manufacturers. If they do something successful here in Germany, I suspect I know the company you're talking about, they want to do it in Milpitas, they want to do it in Shanghai.
Absolutely.
And you have to support it everywhere.
We have developed the product really to be usable from companies with 10 employees to 10,000.
Okay.
For those with 10,000, we've built in things like global pricing, which involves quoting in local currencies, checking bank rates in order to make sure that the quotes that they're giving are accurate, bulk supplier discounts and things like that.
Okay, excellent.
And of course a thin data model so that they really can share it across a network, whether it's in Milpitas or in Shanghai or here in Germany.
Yeah, and as you work with companies like that, they're giving you the kind of feedback loop that allows you to develop the next generation and keep the product moving.
Absolutely, absolutely. It would be nice if we could just decide what to do, but it wouldn't be as good. So we really listen to our customers.
I was going to ask you what's the next big thing. I don't know whether that's confidential and it's all going on in R&D.
Globalization.
Yeah.
Globalization and integrated onto the shop floor.
Yeah, it's all about connectivity, isn't it?
Making the quote is just the first step in a very, very, very long process.
Yeah, but also creating a feedback loop so at the end of the manufacturing, you can look back and say, yeah, we did get that quote right, we did get those manufacturing costs right.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, Kevin, thanks for stopping by to join me.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Great to talk to you, and we'll speak soon. All the best.
Bye-bye.